People of the state extend solidarity to initiatives of Manipur vendors around temporary market of Quiramband markets shuts down. Chief Minister Nongthomban Biren accords 1 lakh rupees to young robotic maker Irom Roshan Mitai for successfully building a humanoid robot. Imphal East DC Dr. Rangita Bali Waikom says media plays a great role in making Beti Bachao Beti Parao scheme successful. And 43 killed in massive fire at Anaj Mandi area in Delhi. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal announces ex gratia rupees 10 lakh to family members of deceased. Hello, welcome to Back News. You're watching Sunday Afternoon News and I'm Premi Thangjam bringing you the top stories. Extending solidarity to the initiatives of Manpack women vendors around the temporary market of Quiramband market carried out protest demonstration against the Citizenship Amendment Bill capped today. Manipur police personnel urged the public to open the shops but to no avail. Police personnel halted the protesters from coming out on the roads, following which the protesters staged protest demonstrations inside the market, chanting various slogans against the contentious bill. Speaking to media, one protester strongly condemned implementation of CAB in the state. She urged the MPs of the state to act as per the interests of the people. Thangmaiban United Club has extended full solidarity to all the initiatives of Manpack against Citizenship Amendment Bill CAB. Speaking to media at Kangchabi Lairak Youth Club in Nagamapal, Kangchabi Lairak today, President of Thangmaiban United Club, Pratap Leishangthim, said that the club strongly condemned the contentious bill. He asserted that the residents of Thangmaiban area are all set to steer intense agitations against the bill. He said that people of Thangmaiban will extend full support in the ceasework strike called by Manpack from 1 a.m. of December 9th to 3 a.m. of December 11th. He urged the government to act as per the interests of people, failing which he warned the government to bear all the consequences.
Thangmaiban United Club na ngamjaba thak loina khoi mapung phanaba khoi honajagani loina Parliamenta, Tangmapanda Puto Kaduriba, Sigi, Saramo in the Sangsili Kunjansi, Tasina, Manipurgi, Future Gidamakta, Manipurgi, Yellow Migi, Kanana Gidamakta, Naglo, Amabo Jadrava, Manipur Miam Gidamakta, Tungi, Miron Gidamakta, Quina, Kaluda Yadavani, Aduna, Tamibanda Lady Plaza Kudimana, Aduga Satra Satri, Aduga Naharo, Maida Pibisina, a men Pena Sangsila, Kunjangi Makada, Takna, Lepiba, Philipsida, Punamana Saruk Yabu.
Chief Minister Nongthomban Biren has accorded 1 lakh rupees from Chief Minister Discretionary Fund to young robotic maker Irom Roshan Mitai today. It may be stated that Irom Roshan Mitai successfully built a humanoid robot named as Important Voice Authentication Life Assistant IVALA, which can recognize human face and voice for the first time in the state. Following a recent news report by Impact News, Chief Minister N. Biren presented a cash to Roshan as an acknowledgement for his hard work and efforts. The Chief Minister made contact with Roshan's humanoid robot IVALA at CM Secretariat today. Biren conversed with Roshan about his IVALA robot and also talked about his future goals and aspirations during the interaction. Roshan's parents Irom Tomba and Irom Ongbi Rekha were also present on the occasion. One-day media sensitization program with an aim to augment Beti Bachao Beti Parao scheme was held today. Imphal East DC, Dr. Rangitabali Waikom called upon people to join efforts in bringing the scheme to another level by adding extracurricular activities. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Dr. Rangitabali said that Imphal East District Administration are initiating efforts to educate the girl childs of Imphal East District who are deprived of education. She asserted that relevant departments are striving to ease the inconveniences and to reinforce the scheme. Dr. Rangitabali espoused the need to identify the reasons for high rate of dropouts by girls and to add extra curriculum activities, especially for girls, to enlighten them. She asserted that fostering and educating the girl childs are very much needed for a healthy and developed society. President of All Manipur Working Journalists Union, Bijoy Kaching Tabum, and Deputy Director of Social Welfare Department, K. Sarucha, attended the event.
They also become a kind of a catalyst, a medium to change, atopa like generations when a change empower. That is the main objective of district administration in Far East. Aduna akogi district plan da ngasai che sarojana su panbirame hujik yamna maru ibasi convergence ne. That's why ngasi akoina social welfare officials ka yaroga district administration akoina khusamnaraga ngasi media ka phaminari se, because I want to emphasize on this convergence. Convergence se akoi yam shole in all kinds of schemes, in all kinds of programs which we do in the district. But at times, practically when convergence problems, lots of difficulties department maybe but still we are trying our best.
A combined team of Kaching District Police and 8 Assam Rifles has seized 142.67 grams of heroin powder from a woman drug battler today. The miscreant is identified as 30-year-old Roshni Anal, daughter of Tungsal Anal from Mahamani village in Chandal district. The team led by SDPO Kaching and 18 AR Major Devendra under the overall supervision of Kaching District Police, Additional SP Law and Order and 18th Assam Rifles Commandant unveiled the heroin powder from inside 11 sharp cases from Laimangai Chingin village under National Highway number 102. She was handed over to Kaching Police Station for further investigation. And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on a massive fire which broke out at Anuj Mandi area in Delhi. We'll be right back. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Sunday Afternoon News. At least 43 laborers were killed after a massive fire broke out in Anuj Mandi at Rani Jhansi Road in New Delhi early this morning. Delhi police informed that 59 people were rescued. The injured were admitted to LNJP, RML and Hindu Rao hospitals. Fire service officials said 25 fire tenders were pressed into service. The incident occurred around 5:22 a.m. at Anuj Mandi on Rani Jhansi Road, Delhi. The injured individuals were admitted to Delhi's LNJP, RML and Hindu Rao hospitals. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal ordered ministerial probe and announced an ex gratia of rupees 10 lakh to the family members of the deceased regarding the tragic event. Manipur also joined the nationwide observance of Gita Jayanti Samora Divas, the birthday of Bhagavad Gita, the sacred text of the Hindus today. Manipur Gita Mandal held observance at Manipur Gita Bhavan in Pauna Bazaar. The event aimed to highlight the religious scripture of Bhagavad Gita, written by Veda Vyasa in Sanskrit language 5,000 years ago to the people. Religious and traditional events of Hindu religion were held, and Bhagavad Gita was also read out in the event.
Ngasi-ngasimak Prithibi sin matungna Gita Jayanti gi mahasab pangthokli. Gita Jayanti haibadi Gita gi mapok numit. Gita haibagi arthadi isai gi londa अनुस्तुप संदद इबा हाइबनी जयंती हाइबदी लोइब नाइदना मियोइबगी थमोइबु जोइ तौबा हाइबनी गीता सी वेद शास्त्र पुनमक्की महाउगु तिल्लबा अदुगुंबा शास्त्र अमनी मसी अध्याय 94 लैतेंबा सुपनगी मंत्र 7 खक्तना मनी मुक्तागुम लै परेंग ओइना असुगमतिक फजना फजग्रबा परेंग अमनी.
Friendly environmental warriors few along with the new Incarnation IRCA held one-day training program on beekeeping at NCI Auditorium in Kalinagar, Jiribam district today. State Awardee and Managing Director of Bee Care and Research Center, Hilghad H. Rajan Kumar, gave insights on how to start beekeeping and how to yield honey to more than 70 trainees at the event. Before we end, let's take a look at headlines once again. People of the state extend solidarity to initiatives of Manpack. Vendors around temporary market of Paramban markets shuts down. Chief Minister Nongpomban Biren accords 1 lakh rupees to young robotic maker Irom Roshan Mitai for successfully building a humanoid robot. Imphal East DC Dr. Rangitabali Wycombe says media plays a great role in making Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme successful. And 43 killed in massive fire at Anuj Mandi area in Delhi. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal announces ex gratia of 10 lakh rupees to family members of the deceased.